What's up, gang? In this video, we went to Brazil, but we came back. देख सकते हो मुंबई का पोल्यूशन AQI EQI ओ वहाँ पे तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा हम लोग को वो क्या है मुंबई for you gang but now we're gonna we come with you from Brazil with a crazy recipe and I've got my crazy chef friend and he's gonna enter from there. I fell down from bro's crazy acting, bro. Let's go to the kitchen now. First, guys, we assemble the ingredients.
Okay, but what are the ingredients? Check the phone, bro. हमें नहीं पता ingredients.
Came from Brazil. I came from Brazil because I was busy with Latinas. I didn't see the ingredients.
Oh.
We are making some Brazilian cheese bread and we're keeping this recipe. So don't even look, bro. Like, don't even try to copy us. Bro. That's the bread over there. He wants to say. Keep watching the bread. The first recipe, the first thing is I guess garlics.
Garlic.
Let's move forward. Bro, trying to remove garlics, bhai.
Bro, I'm trying.
Garlic, I'll do it. Garlic भी नहीं कर पा रहा bro. ये क्या chef है मेरा bro? What the heck is this chef bro?
First, we have garlic. First,
Bro.
garlic.
What the heck bro? Trying to make some edit and shit.
Wait.
Do it again. Okay,
Keep it
serious.
rolling.
Yeah, serious.
First thing is some garlic, bro.
Oh hell nah. Get out. You're fired. Out, bro. Heck, bro, we don't need this, bro. Fire in the kitchen. So next ingredient is chilies. Because I cannot touch it because it's oily.
Why the garlics are so juicy?
Because I am around.
Why ये देखिए fucking one garlic and splat ऐसे. You're also.
Bro, content कितनी हम लोग गार्लिक का स्प्लैश दे रहे हैं हम लोग को भाई. Literally अभी हम लोग को 10 मिनट हो गया तब से गार्लिक ही छिल रहे हैं. लगता है कि कल बनेगा ये रेसिपी हम लोग का. चालू है रील यहाँ पे रेसिपी बनाने का. ना don't show them. It's secret. It's gatekeeping the recipe.
Next ingredient, cheese.
Oh my god. Fucking actually. Get out. You don't deserve to be in the kitchen. Out. My god bro. वापस चीज भी फेंक दिया. ये क्या है? Dhar. Now we put starch. I place it gently, unlike this guy who doesn't respect food. Oh, now my edit. Imagine, bro, I show this in the fucking video.
So such a bad dance. I would not pay anyone to I would not pay anyone to come near me with this dance. I'd pay someone to get away with me with that dancing night. Get away.
अभी हम लोग ने 2-3 घंटे मिक्सी में टाइम पास करने के बाद हम लोग एक मिक्सी चालू की है. मतलब हम लोग को मिक्सी का स्विच ही ऑन नहीं किया था हमने. आई गेस या स्विच को अच्छे से कनेक्ट नहीं किया था. बाय द वे ब्रो, टेल मी अबाउट योर वाइन कलेक्शन. ब्रो हैज दिस क्रेजी वाइन कलेक्शन.
Crazy. Absolutely, totally not low cost at all.
Not low cost. It's like
You could. This one wine is 35 CR.
he could buy me off this wine. Bro, adopt me and sell me this wine, bro. Stealing this one wine would make me rich, by the way. This is
Totally.
Which is the most oldest wine over here.
The oldest wine is this one from 1989.
Bro doesn't know anything right now. I'm telling you, he's making shit up. He's making shit. सारे गार्लिक मैंने किया है, उसमें से एक गार्लिक है जिसका पील इसने नहीं निकाला है. मतलब भाई ये क्या है? ये देखो एक मिसिंग गार्लिक का पील निकाल रहा है अभी, ये वाला. हाँ You have to be perfectionist, bhai.
Brazilian professional.
Brazilian perfectionist.
I'll add it.
Yeah. वो तेल गरम तेल आराम से bro, it will splash on my beautiful face. Wait, I wanted to put the red chili, bro.
Wait, I'll take it off.
No, it's fine, Wait. I'll grind the thing then.
Yeah.
You put this in. Wait, let me mix it at least.
You can mix.
I'm a chef now. Bro, do you have to boil it इतना ज़्यादा?
हाँ. It'll need to cook thoda na. We'll boil it until
Just
the garlics
do-
are yellow, like more deeper, like roasted.
What if we add water in this?
Bhai, it will explode. It'll fucking become.
I want it to
It'll become your YouTube channel.
Bro, what? Looking beautiful.
Smelling also amazing.
Yeah,
na?
it smells
The smell is
amazing.
so
Literally,
spicy
bro.
and
बहुत टेस्टी स्मेल कर रहा है. काश तुम लोग होते यहाँ पे तेल और गार्लिक का स्मेल करने के लिए. भाई ने गार्लिक का तेल का जो तुम सबके घर पे आता होगा वो वही है. It's fine. So हमने वो पैन से निकाल के इसमें डाल दिया अभी.
Why did we make it so hot? Oh, that one
It's burning. तो अभी हम लोग ने एक चीज मैसअप किया जिसमें हम लोग को ऑलिव ऑयल डालना था उसके अंदर, बट हमने वेजिटेबल ऑयल डाल दिया जो बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. बट अभी थोड़ा सा इटालियन टेस्ट नहीं, इंडियन टेस्ट आएगा. चलेगा. फक भाई, I'm feeling sad now.
Brazilian to Indian Brazilian.
ब्राजीलियन नहीं, अभी इंडियन हो गया भाई. फक ब्राजीलियन नाउ. हम लोग इंडिया में इंडियन चीज अभी बस. अभी हमें को श्रेड करना है इसे. और हमारे पास पार्मेजानो भी नहीं है, ना ही मोज़रेला है. हम लोग ये डाल रहे हैं. ये पूरा अलग खुद का रेसिपी बना रहे हैं ब्रो. This is
This is the Indian cheese bread recipe.
No, this is called affordable recipes. this cheese आपको 25 रुपए मिल जाएगा और वो पार्मेजान चीज 1000 का मिलता है. Is this गो का चीज? Bro. No.
Cheese, bro, it's looking damn
Be careful
good,
your
man.
hand, bro.
No, I've used this on it. My fingers also get shredded. थोड़ा सा Riyan का flavor.
Yeah, I mean that fingers taste would be tasty. Your yummy.
This is a true Indian flavors when the person becomes part of the meal.
So challenge करो अभी. Just 2 eggs, yeah. So one you will crack using one hand, okay? Just one hand, nothing else. Let's see. एक हाथ से बस. If you lose, I'll touch you.
I can crack it like ऐसे.
Yeah, you can crack it. Oh, you did it. You did it.
All over my hand, bro.
Yeah.
Oh fuck the other guy. It's
Why did you leave it over there, bro? What the heck?
little cheating हो गया. Oh fuck.
मेरा challenge है, ठीक है? मेरे को तोड़ना है इसको एक हाथ से. Okay. Do you think I'll be able to do it? Oh, no.
Oh, it's cracking all over. Oh,
I did it.
but
Perfect.
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 I broke the yolk. So I
Yeah,
lost.
he broke the yolk. I did it perfect. Let's go. I won.
Wow.
What's the punishment? Nah, bro. There should be a punishment. Yeah.
Punishment.
Punishment.
Say that again.
You have to get inside the oven for the punishment. Bro. पहले तो अपने तोड़ा ना पूरा हाथ में लग गया. पहले वॉश करते. Gen Z generation, bro. Can't leave the food. Bro, my mom, she keeps it on her hand and she starts cooking ऐसे. Like next level shit, bro. Spank. One spank is a punishment. One spank.
The most
punishment.
powerful spank.
Powerful spank.
Oh no.
Okay. Powerful spank. Bend down. Yeah, good. No, bend down. Nice and good. Bro's removing his. Nah. You have to, bro. Come on. Okay, just it'll just take 1 second. Just 1 second. No. Do it. Those not that bad, bro. I went easy on you. Don't worry.
Oh,
Yeah. Undertaker sound effect. Salt is like the most important part. So put thoda sa or just perfect amount of salt. 1 tablespoon. I don't know, bro. You should know it.
I think it's half tablespoon.
This-
No, 1 tablespoon.
Yeah, like thoda sa. No. What the heck? No. This is too much. Yeah, more. Put down. No. This is too much. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. This is good. I feel it. Yeah. That's
I can feel the salt.
और भगवान गॉड भी हमें देख रहे. See, there's a god over here. He's गणपति पापा, सरस्वती माँ, दुर्गा माँ. Bro, this is a gang of gods watching us, bro. Everyone's like, nah. अगर हमने कुछ भी mess up किया तो हम लोग को आके वो लोग बचा देंगे. So it's fine. We have gods watching us. More than enough. I had the egg now. Whoa. Autism. Okay.
Add the cheese also.
You wanna add this half?
You can add it.
Add all of it.
Oh,
bro.
the
Sticky cheese, bro.
Sticky cheese. It's fine. It'll come out nice though. Oh.
Talia, clap.
Oh.
Let me clap.
Bro is clapping with his feet.
Oh.
One show you.
Let's add this.
Just this much?
Yeah, wait. A little more.
Yeah, obviously. Wait. Let me do this. I want to do this.
3, 2. Okay, sorry.
I'll do this.
You start.
I'll do
I'm
this.
holding it short.
Okay, fine. I'll do this. Yeah.
Start.
Satisfying part. This is the most satisfying part, right?
It's like revving a car. I feel like ये देखिए मैं Ferrari है bro.
Bro, it smells. How does it smell? Just smell it once.
Smells like chili, bro.
Chili and cheese, right?
Chili and cheese.
That's the recipe which we're cooking. Bro.
That's the whole point, bro.
Yeah.
It's looking also like the
It's
recipe.
looking like the recipe. Yeah, thank God.
So thank you.
Yeah. Bus. Should leave it clean, bro. Let it drip first. Good boy. Look at the dedication in his eyes, bro. My
Oh, I don't
God.
think it'll be too much.
It's not too much.
like
It's
normal.
perfect. Yeah, it's fine. Close it. So, bro, how do you think it will taste?
I think it will taste the best thing I've ever eaten because I've made
obviously.
it and it's gonna be this big and yummy and delicious. Good,
Bro, we're actually excited. बहुत excited.
I'm gonna dip it in some hot sauce and
Not hot sauce, bro. Oh, actually, we can. I'll add some maple. You have maple syrup?
Maple syrup, yum.
Yeah,
maple
maple
syrup.
What is that? It will taste really good. Oh, damn guitar. Bro, this is some real material shit, right? अभी हम लोग एसी में आगे बैठने के लिए it's feeling so much better ना भाई.
Oh, Ari, that all was so hot. Sweating.
Bro, अभी हम लोग चेक करने जा रहे हैं, देखते कैसा होगा. Oh my God, भाई. The smell. It's so good. Oh shit. Bro, what the heck? Look at the fluffiness, bhai. It's looking so good, bro. Bro, what the heck?
We didn't have the correct ingredients. The cheese was
Literally.
wrong, oil was wrong, and we still made it.
We made it, bro. It's looking perfect. It's
It was
looking
looking perfect. It was looking
Brazilian. Here we come. भाई पूरा रूम पूरा हाउस पूरा घर पूरा चीज जैसा स्मेल कर रहा है. And it's looking so fucking good, bro. Good. It's good.
It smells so good.
But we burnt it थोड़ा सा, or is it fine?
No, it's perfect.
It's perfect?
It's brown. It's saying to be brown.
So we did it like crazy. Taste testing होगा. We'll do taste testing now.
Cheese also, na? Lie नहीं कहीं.
Try removing it. पूरा अटक गया?
No.
Is it burnt though?
No,
Just
it's
remove
not
it once.
brown. It's proper. No, it's fine. It's that puffy cheese. Bit. You want to try a piece? You want to tear it now?
Just try opening it once. Tear it. Yeah, it's pretty much like that.
Yeah,
but
it's like that.
It's like that.
It's like
only.
cheesy on the inside. Look. You want some?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Cheers. Try it. Cheers.
Good.
Is it good?
I like it.
Yeah, it's good. Maybe with honey it will taste good. ये Nutella है and what is this? Maple syrup, yeah. No record.
I want to try it with the Nutella.
Nutella के साथ bro, crazy. I think it will taste really good. It will taste really damn good, yeah. Because the sweet, the salt and the what? The chili will taste really good.
Yeah,
Nutella.
Surprisingly, this also has garlic in it, but it tastes good with sweetness, no?
Yeah. Just try it once.
Instagram.
YouTube. Yeah. How's this? It's really good. See, I told you.
Bro.
It's out of 10.
Solid 8.5.
8. So हमने खाया वो and tasty था. तो हमने खाया ये बहुत ज़्यादा सॉल्टी था. हमने सॉल्ट एक्स्ट्रा डाल दिया बिकॉज हमारे पास मोज़रेला और पामेशान नहीं था. तो इसीलिए हमने वो नॉर्मल गो चीज़ यूज़ किया. मत करना वो गो चीज़ यूज़. देखा दे स्टार्टेड यूजिंग गो चीज़ ब्रो. नो मोज़रेला यूज़ करो. बट बाकी परफेक्ट बना है. देखो ये देखो परफेक्ट है. पूरा फ्लफी है. और इसको हम लोग ने इसके साथ भी खाया. आई विल गिव दिस लाइक 7.5 out of 10. Yeah.
7.5.
And how much would you rate it?
I would rate it 7.5 also, without anything. With this thing, it is
With this maple syrup is
isn't like a 9.
9.
Solid 9. With the Nutella saying like 8.
0.5 because Nutella का टेस्ट भी ओवरपावर कर रहा है वो Nutella बस थोड़ा सा हो रहा है Nutella is good.
That's very. Would you
So-
say this is fail or good? Like good or fail?
This is
Pass.
Actually, this is a pass, bro.
This is a
Pass.
pass.
Yeah. This is a first cook, bro.
This is our first good.
So this is pass, and next time we'll cook something really good. Like and subscribe.
Like